Airline snacks are prepackaged, limited, and served on a fixed schedule. You take what's offered when it's offered. Private jet snacks are different. They're selected around your preferences, dietary needs, and timing. Fresh options, premium treats, and flexibility make all the difference. You eat when you want, not when a cart rolls by. It's a small detail, but it reflects the bigger picture. Private travel adapts to you. When even snacks feel intentional, the entire journey feels elevated. Taste the difference and personalize travel with RitzyJet flights. Book your private jet today at RitzyJet.com.